Hello! So it's been long that I've filmed a video. Actually, I filmed a set of videos all together at once and then I stopped because I wanted to take a break. And so now it's been long, so yeah. I hope I'm loud and clear because I myself am getting annoyed of not speaking loudly. So I'm so sorry. But let's start. I've just washed my hair, just came out of the bathroom, put some hair serum. You should shampoo properly, condition your hair, only the strands, not your scalp, everything, all of those rules, you know that. So what I do is, to have a straight hair, I kind of take a parting like this, center parting, remove all the knots. I mean, you should be, my comb is touching the mic, so if you're gonna hear loud sounds, then I'm sorry. So you have to comb it from the strand so that you remove the knots from the end, and then when you comb it from the top, it's all clear and then your hair doesn't break and all of that. I'm giving you too much tips in between this tutorial, so yeah, I'm gonna just take out the knots. Be gentle because your hair is wet, it's fragile, and there's gonna be a lot of hair. That's okay. Don't stress about the stress in your dress. Comb it like that. And then what I do these days, what I started doing is to have, I've been getting a lot of baby hairs because maybe my hair started to grow for whatever reason. So I started to comb my hair with this thin teeth, not very thin, like an usual comb, and comb it straight like this. And what happens is, when your hair dries, actually the baby hairs dry a bit straight. It's not like a magic potion that is going to make your hair very straight, but it does make a difference. Try it. This will work only for wavy hair, okay, not for curly hair. Curly hair is not, it's going to be difficult to make it straight. Now what I do is, I start plaiting my hair. So I take a nice proper center parting till back of your neck. I mean, it's the usual French plait. Just taking a little bit in the front here. Try to make it a little tight, okay? Then take a little from down and join the down one. Then take a little from top, join the top one. The middle one, you'll have to take some hair from the middle of the plait. I don't like to look at the mirror because then I can't put the plait properly, so that's why I just feel it. So if you notice, my hair is pretty wet, okay? So that is the trick. If you're sensitive to cold and you cannot do this, then I suggest you don't, because you're gonna have a headache and all those, catch cold and all that. It's lovely. The results are amazing. I'm not the one who likes curly hair, but I started loving after doing this overnight curls. And now the end part, I would suggest you to leave quite a bit so that the ends look straight, and then it looks a little like a beachy natural waves. I'm gonna wait. What is the time? I think it could be 5:30. Obviously, I'm gonna sleep on it and I'll show you in the morning. See you. bye.